Welcome back. Enjoy the edit. So, what have I done to the MR2? Nothing. Same thing. I didn't do anything with the GTS. I haven't done anything with any of my cars. Nothing's really happened to this car at all. Looks awesome. I washed it. Everything looks good. This car's done all the way up. All it needs is a new paint job, to be honest, and then a nicer tune. Yeah, this is my MR2. This is where it's at. I hope you guys enjoyed that edit. I love doing this. This is really fun. Maybe once a week or something like that, do a nice little quick edit. But yeah, I'll just go ahead and show you the engine bay. You guys seen this many times before. 2ZZ, Lotus motor, turbokits.com, turbo, runs pretty good. This is like at 6 to 8 PSI, right around there. Nothing crazy, healthy, runs great, has methanol on it. Yeah, that's it. I would like to get a car painted, get the car painted. All the fenders and everything look really, really nice. They're all clean shape. This is the red clear coat, and then I would like to paint this black. So just a new paint job, do some of my Celica GTS JDM side markers on there, and yeah, that's pretty much it. This car is a showstopper. Subscribers such as yourself and this car community, they enjoy the OEM hardtop. They think it's pretty cool, which I do too. Very rare, kind of unique looking, yeah, absolutely. But it's more enjoyable to drive actually with the top off. The rigidity of the car is stronger when it's on. You can feel it handle better with the hardtop on. Crazy, true story though. But the pleasure on a day like today is much higher with the top off. What I'll do now is I'll go ahead and take the car back, take off the hardtop, and go enjoy the rest of the day with this. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little edit of my MR2 Spyder. Just a bunch of junk on it. Swing by MitchDore.com, check everything out. I don't have any of these hats, but I actually really like these hats. I made them custom for myself. If you want to get some, DM me on Instagram. My Instagram will be linked below, and then MitchDore.com, #1 link. Yeah, appreciate you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll see you soon.